In this video, I'll show you how to log a ticket using the Datto Support Agent, how to check your ticket progress using the AutoTask client portal, and how to use the live support option on our website. To log a ticket using the Datto RMM agent, simply navigate to the bottom of the taskbar and select the arrow. Then double-click on the Tektron RMM agent, navigate to Tickets and select New Ticket. Then give us a summary of the issue you're experiencing. Let us know how urgent the request is and who is impacted. Then add your name and email address. You can also add your phone number and a screenshot to give us a better understanding of the issue you're experiencing, and click Submit. Then to check your ticket progress or updates, navigate to tektron.co.za and select Client Portal. Then add your company email address and password, or select Login with Microsoft to use the single sign-on feature. After signing in, you'll be able to see the tickets you've logged, the progress and updates associated by navigating to the ticket in question, selecting it, and going through the ticket detail. To make use of the live support option, simply navigate to tektron.co.za and select Live Support. Then you'll be redirected to our live chat feature and get access to one of our experts. Please note that the live chat feature can only be used during our office hours from 8 AM to 5 PM.